In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chart in TradingView. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through the process, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident in managing your layouts. So, let's get started and make this task as simple as possible. First, you'll need to be on your TradingView chart. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to TradingView's website, and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head to the chart you would like to delete. This might be one of several charts you have previously set up as part of your trading or analysis process. Now, let's navigate our way toward deleting this chart. On your chart interface, look toward the top part of your screen for an icon or option labeled as Manage Layout. This area of the interface houses various settings related to organizing your different chart setups. Navigating to the Manage Layout section is essential as it gives you access to all the layouts you have saved, allowing you to choose which ones to edit or, in this case, delete. Upon clicking Manage Layout, you will see a menu that might present various options. One of these will be Open Layout. Click on this option. The Open Layout menu will display a list of all your saved charts. It's useful to note that TradingView allows you to save multiple charts under different layouts, which is ideal for different analytical strategies or trading scenarios. However, there might come a time when you need to streamline your layouts or remove a chart that is no longer useful. This step sets you up perfectly for that. After you've clicked on Open Layout, identify the specific chart layout you wish to delete from the list that appears. Once you've located the chart you want to get rid of, you'll notice a three-dot menu or an option nearby that suggests additional actions. Click on this and a drop-down will appear. In this drop-down menu, you will find the Remove button. Click this button to initiate the deletion process. Now, it's crucial to confirm that you do want to remove this chart, as most deletion actions cannot be undone. Ensure that the chart you're about to delete is the correct one to avoid any accidental removals. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the removal action if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a chart in TradingView. Remember, keeping your TradingView organized is vital for efficient trading and analysis, so feel free to repeat this process anytime you need to declutter or manage your chart layouts more effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.